Hi there, this is Sanjay and I welcome you all again for the second session for Indian accent. As in the last video, we read one article and you come to know more about how Indian people pronounce different words in a different way. Generally, Indian people, they speak typically strong accent and it's somewhat difficult for many people to understand. So in this video, I have collected some words and we are going to have the pronunciation for all those words. Like you would listen to American accent as well as Indian accent. So, I'm going to share my screen and we are going to see the words, how Indian people pronounce along with American accent. So let's go to the computer screen and we see how it works. So we are on computer screen now and you can see there is a word list. We have word American English and Indian English. And here we would learn how Indian people pronounce the word differently than American speakers. So the first word we have is schedule. American people, they read it as schedule, schedule. And Indian people pronounce this word as schedule, schedule. The next word we have is route. American people say route. And Indian people pronounce this as route. Let's go for the next word. Vitamin. Indian people would say vitamin. Oil in American accent. In Indian accent, people say oil, oil, oil. In American accent, we say aluminum, aluminum, aluminum. In Indian accent, people say generally aluminium, aluminium. Now, the next word we have is herb. Indian people say herb. The next word is process. Indian people say process. The next word is tomato. Indian people says, generally Indian people, when they speak English, they say tomato in American accent and tomato in Indian accent. The next word is orange, orange, can't, water, water, her, her, sir, sir, hundred, hundred, thousand, thousand. Let's go for one more time. It would be a recap. I'm going to read all the Indian English words again for you. Schedule, root, vitamin, oil, aluminium, herb, process, tomato, orange, can't, water, her, sir, hundred, thousand. At the same time, if I read this in American accent, it would be like schedule, root, vitamin, oil, aluminum, herb, process, tomato, orange, can't, water, her, sir, hundred, thousand. Alright, so these are the difference we can see. I'll come up with more such kind of vocabulary for you that will make you become more familiar with Indian accent. So thank you so much for watching this video and I'll come up with more such kind of things for you. Thank you so much. Do subscribe the channel if you are new on this and please write down your valuable comment below. Thank you so much.